Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use rosemary leaves to promote hair growth and to stop hair loss. So for this video I'll be using the dried rosemary leaves. You can use the fresh ones if that's what you have. So yeah, I'll go ahead and pour these rosemary leaves into a pot. So I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of these leaves because I do not want to make a huge batch. So yeah, I just want to make a little batch so that I can use a couple of times and not overkeep it. So yeah, I'll go ahead and pour in about 2 cups of water, and then I'll bring it to a boil. So you want to let this boil, and then you continue to stir it until the water changes color. So when the water has changed color, you know that the leaves are infused into the water, and then you want to let it cool, and then you take it off the stove. And yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and strain out the tea. Rosemary has so many amazing benefits, which I'm going to share with you guys shortly. So you want to make sure you watch this video till the end. It's not a very long video, so please do stick around till the end. When I'm done straining out the tea, I'll go ahead and pour it into my applicator bottle. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit on what I'll do with the remainder. So yeah, all could not eventually fit into the bottle, so I'm going to go ahead and use my silicone mold. So yeah, to preserve the remainder for a longer period, I'm just going to pour it into my silicone mold, and then I'm going to place it into the refrigerator and let it freeze. So this way, this is a very nice method to keep your tea last longer, because you do not want to leave it for a very long time in the fridge because it might go bad, even though you not see it with the physical eyes. So I always advise to use your tea within 3 to 5 days, but the frozen one, you can always take it out of the fridge when you're ready to use it, and then you just take out the ice cubes and then you let it dissolve, and yeah, that's it, and you can apply it to your hair. So when it dissolves, you make sure it's warm before you apply it to your hair and scalp. So yeah, this is a very good way to save up extra products that you do not just want to leave in the fridge for it to get bad. So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you guys that method for this video. That's why I'm taking out the ice, to just show you guys. So now I'll go ahead and show you what I do with the remainder of the leaves. After I've strained out the tea, I'll go ahead and just pour in some water and cover it up and just leave it till the next day, just so it can infuse some more, and I'll use it to rinse my hair. So now moving on, I'm going to show you guys how I use this tea on my hair. So I just spritz it to my scalp and my hair, and I massage it in. So now moving on to the benefits of using rosemary on your hair. Rosemary promotes hair growth as it stimulates and improves blood circulation to the scalp, thus encouraging hair growth. Rosemary has antibacterial properties, thus it gently cleanses the hair. It also helps to relieve irritated, dry and flaky scalp. So if you have dandruff prone hair, rosemary will also help with that. Rosemary slows down premature hair loss and graying. It's also known to darken and strengthen the hair. It adds shine to the hair. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.